welcome to Daniel Workshop. Today I'm going to try something different. I show you a lot of sharpening videos, and today I need to do it, so I'm going to show it to you too, what I'm doing, and maybe you will find it useful. Today I have to service my computer because it gets to the point that I get a lot of errors, and the computer freezes from time to time, and also I get error when I boot up my computer. It is telling me that the BIOS have changed, and there is another problem with my computer. And actually this is the computer that I use in my workshop. I have another one at home, so this one gets less and less attention, but today it needs attention. So like I said, I have a third problem with the BIOS and with the fact that it can't keep the time. What I mean is that when you go in the right corner of your display, tells you the time and the date and the hour, but mine seems to be losing it all the time. And the problem with that is that the battery of the BIOS has died on me. So like I said, I have two problems. Computer freezes, and I know what the problem is, and I'll show you in a second, and the problem with the battery BIOS. So today we're going to take it apart. This is a desktop computer, and let me show you. I'll pull out the camera, actually the phone, and I'll show you in a second what I've did in the past, and not now, because now I lost them. What I had to do is to remove these two screws. I had one here and one there, yeah, with a Phillips screwdriver. And once those screws are removed, you pull the cover, and then if you can do it with one hand, I just did it, you get inside of your computer. And this is my computer. Very, 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 like I said, this is in my workshop, so it's very, very dirty. Let me turn on the other light too, because I see I make a lot of shadows. So today I'm going to change the battery, which is, let's take the battery off, and I'm going to clean the memory, because that's like I said, the other problem of the computer. So let me get a small screwdriver, because I forgot about it to prepare it. So let me pause the video for a second, and I'll be back with the screwdriver. So I went to get the screwdriver, and I said, okay, let me do one offline so I don't get in any trouble. And I took the screwdriver, but first I just put my fingernail under the battery, and I just tried it out, and it came out. Okay, sometimes you get lucky. This is usually will be a 2032 battery, and I have here the replacement. See, this is much better, 2032. And you simply put the new battery in, and Bob's your uncle. Of course, you just push it in there, same way you pull it out, will go in. Yeah, and it's in. Job done. Once you restart your computer, you'll have to also I think it's a correct word, but reset the settings, change the settings of the BIOS, because the BIOS will start with the default settings of the motherboard. Once you pull out the battery, it will revert to the default settings. By the way, there is their micro switch that you can reset the BIOS in some cases, but that's another story. So like I said, once you start your computer, you'll have to remake, that's the correct word, all the settings of the BIOS. So the second problem that I have is the memories. Yeah, you can see it here. Mine has 4 memory slots, and I have only 2 memory chips. Yeah, to remove them, you just press. See, you have to press. This is an empty slot, and I'm just press it so you can see it. And this is a slot with the memory. You just press down on the one of the keys, and on the other side, and the memory will just lift up and just you can pull it out. And it's not very bad. See the dust there? The dust is very bad for electronic circuits, and you can use a brush and just brush it off. I won't do it here on top of the computer. I'll do it to a side, and like I said, see, it's clean now. Just brush it up and get rid of all the dust. And now the memory is clean. So if I'm here, I'm going to clean also the cooler, but I won't show you that because I'll do some kind of rough engineering. What I'll be doing is I'll pull my vacuum cleaner and just vacuum it out to clean it. And I think also the video card needs some cleaning. But that's it for today. Something simple. I hope you enjoy it, you like it. If you like it, of course, you know what to do. And of course, if you have questions, just ask me and I'll try to answer them. By the way, I have other videos there that you can watch, of course, different subject. But like I said, this is Daniel Workshop, and Daniel can fix anything, even the kitchen sink. Yeah, I can fix a lot of things. Computers, yeah, I can fix computer. This is the computer that I built myself. Actually, I put together myself. I bought everything on components, and I put it together. So that's it for today. See you next time.